Hi everyone. Today I'll be teaching you how to convert a video to GIF in Power Automate. As a reminder, this will work the same way in Logic apps as well. To perform this flow, we will be using the Cloud Immersive Video and Media connector. Now to get things started, we will click Create. On this page, we will choose Instant Cloud Flow and type in a name for the flow. Then we will select Manually Trigger a Flow and press Create. Now we're ready to begin. The first step of our process is going to retrieve the content from our source folder. The file I will be using is in SharePoint, so I will type SharePoint GIF file content. Next, I will select my SharePoint site address and the file path. After we have created the file content action, we will add a new action step by looking up the Cloud Immersive Video and Media connector, which is the dark blue icon here, and selecting Convert Video to Animated GIF format. Note that if you've never used one of our connectors before, you will be prompted to enter your API key. This is free on the Cloud Immersive website with no commitment, and once you've entered it here, you won't be asked for it again. Now for our input file, we can add the file content from the previous step and input the file name followed by the file extension. My file is in an MP4 format, but several video format types are supported. You will see that there are also some optional parameters that you can fill out. The file URL option should be used for videos that are over 2 GB in size, and the other options are to specify the max video width and height, aspect ratio preservation, frame rate, start time, and desired length. Next, we're going to add a create file action for our output. We will choose the desired location for the file, including the SharePoint address and folder path. Then we will add a name for the file along with the .gif extension and choose the body output from the previous action. Once this information is filled out, we can click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. It will take a moment to save your information, but once it's complete, you can click the Test button in the top right-hand corner. We will choose the manual option for testing the file, hit the second test button, and then continue. After that, we will click Run Flow and Done. After clicking Done, you will see green check marks next to all of the connectors showing that the flow worked. Sometimes it takes a second or two for all the check marks to appear, so don't stress if that happens to you. Now you can check your chosen folder for your newly created GIF file. Because I didn't modify the length of the video in the optional parameters, the GIF is the same length as my original video. And that's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe and check back in for more tutorials and tips on using Cloud Immersive connectors in Power Automate.